Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today we brought you a brand new video on how to download or install Nexo app in your iOS device. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. So what is Nexo? Nexo is a centralized finance platform that caters to use interest in crypto wealth management. Alright, let's get started. Downloading the Nexo app is a quick and easy. Here's what you need to do. Grab your iPhone or iPad, make sure it's connected to your internet. Open the App Store, its familiar app with the blue icon. Search for the Nexo in the search bar at the top of screen. Type in Nexo. You should see the official Nexo app developed by Nexo Financial Limited displayed in the search results. Tap Get. This will begin the download process. Verifying with the Face ID or Touch ID. Depending on your device model, you will need to verify your identity using Face ID or Touch ID to complete the download. And congratulations, the Nexo app is now installed on your iOS device. That's all you need to download the Nexo app on your iOS device. With the app downloaded, you can explore all the features Nexo has to offer and start growing your crypto portfolio. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. Make sure to like the video too. Have a nice day. Thank you.